Welcome to the RoboWorker RPA tutorial. Today, we'll walk you through the basic operations of Z-Factory and Z-Bot, from initial setup to scenario creation and execution preparation. Let's get started. RoboWorker RPA includes two main components, Z-Factory and Z-Bot. Z-Factory is used for creating scenarios or processes and can also be used for manual execution. Z-Bot, on the other hand, is a dedicated robot for executing these scenarios. While you can't create scenarios in Z-Bot, you can set up execution methods, such as triggers and schedules. Let's begin with the login. You can log in using your ID and password. After logging in, you'll see the home screen. Let's take a quick tour of the interface. On the left side of the interface, you'll find the main navigation menu, which includes options such as Home, My Processes, My Libraries, Quick Access, and Process Store. In the center, you'll see the dashboard. The New Process and Import buttons are located here. Below them, you'll find a list of recently opened processes showing the name, component version, published channel, and last open time. At the top right, you'll find the settings icon. Here you can change user settings, switch languages, access support, and log out. Click the gear icon at the top right to open the Settings Center. Let's look at the Tool Plugins tab. You can install essential extensions like Chrome, Java, and Excel plugins. For web operations, you can install Chrome, Firefox, or Edge plugins. Simply click the Install button. You can change the display language. Note that you may need to restart the application for the changes to take effect. Now let's create a new process. Click the New Process button at the top right and select Process. This will take you to the flowchart editing screen, where you can start with a start block and a task block. Click Unditing in the top menu to switch to the classic mode, where you can drag and drop components from the left panel to build your process. Hovering over the components will show a brief description. In the process editing screen, the default view is the classic mode, where you manually select commands. Click the IPA mode button at the top right to switch to the IPA mode, which is based on automated operation recording. Let's look at how to import and export processes. Use the Import button on the home screen to import processes. You can export scenarios using the Export button in the editing screen. This is useful for sharing within your team or transferring to Z-Bot. Now let's introduce Z-Bot, the execution robot for RoboWorkers. Z-Bot runs scenarios created in Z-Factory. The Z-Bot home screen displays execution statistics, device status, execution status, and today's schedule. Execution statistics gives you a quick snapshot of how many tasks have been run, their success times, and any failures or stops. Device status keeps you informed about your system's health, showing CPU, memory, and disk usage percentages. Execution status shows the most recent logs. Today's schedule allows you to view only the tasks scheduled for today, ensuring you don't miss any critical tasks. To get started, you can import scenarios from Z-Factory. This is where you load the scenarios you've created and exported from Z-Factory. Simply click on Get Workflow from Marketing or Import Local Workflow to load your scenarios into Z-Bot. You can also set schedules for your tasks directly from the task interface. This allows you to automate the execution of your scenarios at specific times. For monitoring and troubleshooting, you can view execution logs in the recording interface. This feature provides detailed insights into each task's performance. In the marketing interface, you can browse through the available processes To acquire a process, simply click the Get button next to the process name. This will add the process to your flow. Detailed scheduling settings will be covered in a separate video. Thank you for watching, and happy automating!